Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a summary task in Microsoft Project. To begin, open your project file and identify the tasks you wish to group. Summary tasks are essential for organizing complex projects into manageable sections. They provide a high-level overview, making it easier to track progress and understand project timelines. This feature helps streamline your project plans significantly. First, select all the tasks that will become subtasks for your new summary. These are the individual work items you want to group. Next, navigate to the Task tab in the ribbon and locate the Schedule group. Click the Indent Task button, which looks like a green arrow pointing right. Microsoft Project will automatically create a new summary task above your selected subtasks, reflecting their combined duration. Once created, managing your summary tasks is straightforward. You can easily expand or collapse them by clicking the plus or minus signs in the Gantt chart view. This allows you to switch between a detailed and a high-level view of your project. Moving or deleting a summary task will also move or delete all its subtasks, ensuring your project structure remains consistent and organized. For best results, use summary tasks to define major project phases or key deliverables. This approach creates a clear, hierarchical structure, making your project plan much easier to understand and navigate. The benefits include improved project visibility, better resource allocation, and enhanced progress tracking. Ultimately, summary tasks help you maintain control over even the most intricate project schedules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.